If you're not getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, this means that you're doing something wrong in your YouTube channel. So today we are coming to tell what you're doing wrong and how to get your first 1,000 subscribers in just a month. My name is Godfrey and I'm all about helping you go through your YouTube journey. So the first tip I'll be giving to you in order to get your first 1,000 subscribers in just 1 month is upload more videos, because as more videos as you upload on YouTube, as more videos as YouTube promote to many users on this YouTube platform. So if you're having this question that how much do I need to upload to get my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I will say upload 33 videos in order to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, because getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is not that easy. And just don't be those guys who just upload 11 videos, 10 videos on your YouTube channel and just be sitting there waiting for the first 1,000 subscribers. It's not going to come to you as a gift. You have to work for it and you have to gain for it. And the next tip is repeat your videos. Most of YouTubers don't really do this, but I on my channel have been doing this for some while now and it has been helping me. That's how I mean by repeating your videos over and over again. Okay, this is how it works. YouTube wants you to upload more videos on their platform, and if you don't get the chance to upload those more videos on your platform, then you can repeat the other video that you have uploaded on your channel. You can repeat it again so that you can still grow on YouTube. And this doesn't happen to those who have 1,000 subscribers. Don't do so. If you just start your YouTube channel, you're having less than 1,000 subscribers, you can repeat your own videos over and over again. And if you have more than 1,000 subscribers, please don't do that. It's going to hurt your channel. Okay, what gets someone to click that subscribe button of yours? If you make something and that interests the person will click on that red icon on your videos, because you just help that person. That's what I mean by make helpful content, because making helpful content can attract more and more subscribers in no time on your channel. So I recommend for everyone to just go and make a video about the specific content that you think is helpful and they're going to need it. Make a video about it. You are going to get more subscribers. Tip 4, make trend video. This is the other way you can gain subscribers. If you find that something is trending on YouTube, make sure to make a video about it, because this is one way or the second way you can grow your YouTube. If you get yourself involved with a trending topic on YouTube, people are going to find your channel and then you can grow your channel. Tip 5 is list why your viewers should subscribe to your YouTube channel, because if they just watch a video and they didn't find any interesting thing, they will not subscribe to your YouTube channel. So list why your viewers should subscribe to your YouTube channel. Just list them on a piece of paper and then say it in your video, because you can't just do random videos and then upload it on YouTube and thinking that you're going to be successful on YouTube, you're going to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and get monetized. That will not happen. So you just go up there, list why your viewers should subscribe to your YouTube channel, and maybe you're going to get your first 1,000 subscribers in 1 month there. Hey guys, talking about subscribers, you need to watch this video here in order for you to get your first 4,000 subscribers of watch time in just a few periods. Go and click on that video and I'll see you over there. Bye.